Yeah, so guys, as i as I had told you, I'm going to show you how we can create an HTTP injector working configuration file using the shadow socks method. Although there are many methods which you can use to configure the HTTP injector, but as per now I prefer to use the shadow socks. So we head to Chrome. On reaching Chrome, you go in the search icon, you put sshOceans.com. sshOcean.com. So you press search. Yeah. After reaching, so the website, it may look like this. So you scroll down until you reach where at what point you want. So as our main point is mainly we are looking for the shadow socks. So it's here, the shadow socks. So click on shadow socks. So when you since we are looking for the shadow socks, so you have to scroll down until you reach the shadow socks. You leave along the OpenVPN, the SSHs. So it's here, the shadow socks method here. So you click next. Yeah, please follow steps. You press next. Let's wait for it. It's a bit slow, but yeah, it has connected. We have reached the shadow socks. So here are a number of servers, but it's your choice. You can decide where your favorite country. So as per now, for me, I will choose France. So please follow very well the steps. So the trick is here. When selecting these servers, you have to select a server with port. So let's select these 24 servers, 25. Let's select this one with 25 accounts remaining. So we click next. Yeah, so we must scroll down. So the trick is here. When selecting these, okay, let me call them servers. When selecting these servers, you have to select these ones with port 8388. Yeah, that one is good and standard. Don't choose others, so choose that one of 8388. So we click next. Yeah, follow steps. So let me click here where I'm not a robot. Yeah, they have to select all images with characters. So they have verified me, I'm not a robot. So the next step is to generate now. So our our shadow socks configuration has been generated successfully. So the next step is to copy the shadow socks. So you click in copy to clipboard. So it has been copied to clipboard. So we move straight to our application, to our HTTP injector. Yeah, since I show you how we can set it, now you are capable of setting it and operating it very well. So you click on the menu button. The menu button is this one, the top left. So you click on. So you head to these shadow socks settings. Yeah, reaching there, you'll see server port password encrypt method UDP relay. No, don't struggle. So you have to just move to this thing in the top right. So it is a configuration here. We have these two items to our top right. So for us we shall just set to that one. So you click on it. Here there are a number of options. They will say paste, cancel, okay. So you click paste. Yeah, now our configuration has been pasted successfully. Yeah, please follow all these steps, procedures, and everything. So after pasting everything, top three dotted lines. There are three dotted lines. Meaning this. That. So I'm going to show you how we can export, or we can make files and import configuration files after manufacturing them from here. So you press it. So you go where there is config. You place, since we have got our configuration file, so we shall place export config. I'll show you the difference between import and export. So let's give it a file name. Shall give it subscribe. Now here there is a export config. What type of config is it? If it's an SSH, shadow socks or Victory. But since ours is it's a shadow socks, so you touch in shadow socks. Yeah, when you click in shadow socks, so you click here, they'll give you a number of options. So you click lock configure and prevent editing. Yeah, you scroll down to extra. So yeah, now here is where most of you want. So you click mobile data on, you activate that. Play Store installation, you activate, you can. So now here most of you want, when setting the expiry date, it depends on your wish or your will, when do you want this file to expire. So as per now, let's give it 31st October. So you click OK. So our configuration is left with only 2 days to expire. So I think now after finishing that, you click that red circle. So now you press save. So you press export config. So now our configuration has been exported successfully. So we move back to our application, to the HTTP injector. Now I'm going to show you how we can import in configuration files, because you can get a configuration file via WhatsApp, Telegram, any platform. So we move straight there, dotted dots. You click it, you move to config. So here now the next step is to go to, I'm going to show you the differences between import and export config. So now we shall go to import config. So you click I understand. So now this application, that it does, it will take you to your internal storage. Yeah, so now it depends where you store your information files. So we shall head to HTTP injector. It's here now. Now these are the number of files I have been making. So ours was named subscribe. So you click on subscribe. So after clicking subscribe, now the final step is to click on the start button. So let us go to logs to see whether it's connected. Let us go to logs. So our VPN is connected, but it seems my network connection is not good enough. So yeah, it has connected successfully. No problem. This problem became because I had a VPN. Yeah, it's working. Yeah, it has connected successfully. So that's all. Thanks. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates and videos.